Do you know how to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions? That's what we're learning in today's lesson. These are the steps on how to convert mixed number to an improper fraction. 1. Multiply the whole number part by the fraction's denominator. 2. Add that answer to the numerator. And third, write the result on top of the denominator. Here are the 6 examples. Convert each mixed number to an improper fraction. Give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. Example number 1. 5 3/4. Step 1 is to multiply the whole number 5 and the denominator 4, and 5 times 4 is 20. Step 2 is to add that 20 to the numerator 3, and 20 plus 3 is 23. And we will write the answer as 23 over the denominator 4. So the answer is 23 over 4. Question number 2. 7 2/9. Step 1 is to multiply the whole number 7 and the denominator 9, and 7 times 9 is 63. Then we will add that 63 to the numerator 2, and that is 65. So the answer is 65 over the denominator 9. Question 3. 4 6/11. Step 1 is to multiply the whole number in the denominator 11, and 4 times 11 is 44. Next, we will add the 44 to the numerator 6, and 44 plus 6 is 50. So we will write the answer as 50 over the denominator 11. So 50 over 11 is the answer. Question 4. 8 1/10. Step 1 is to multiply the whole number 8 and the denominator 10, and 8 times 10 is 80. Next, we will add that 80 to the numerator 1, and 80 plus 1 is 81. So we will write the fraction as 81 over the denominator 10. So 81 over 10 is the final answer. Question 5. 6 3/5. Step 1 is to multiply the whole number 6 by the denominator 5, which is 30. And we will add a 30 to the numerator 3, and 30 plus 3 is 33. So we will have 33 over the denominator 5. So the answer is 33 over 5. Question number 6. 8 4/5. Step 1 is to multiply the whole number 8 and denominator 5. 8 times 5 is 40. Next, we will add the 40 to the numerator 4, and 40 plus 4 is 44. So the numerator is 44, and denominator is 5. So the equivalent of 8 4/5 in improper fraction is 44 over 5. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.